Hi, good morning, Interpal. Welcome. I think there has been a lot of questions and discussions going on where the market should be. Calm mind, very good morning. Hi, Jatin, very good morning. Uh, since I am, having a training program on 22nd to 24th, I have been very busy with that, working over the weekend, still working on the project. It's a very important project, so that's why I am, a bit busy with working on that. That's why the stream also started late. But nevertheless, uh, it's pretty obvious the day when people were asking, should we carry overnight PE position? Should we carry overnight CE position? There is a lot of news and all these things. I was saying that the market is closing somewhere around 40,500. There could be a possible gap up, and then it might continue to go down. That's what I said, if you all remember that. And exactly that's what happened. Market retraced to 40,700 levels, and then it is trading below that. Uh, so the training program that I'm doing is Kempagoda. It's a leadership training program, team building and strategy execution. That's a program for one of the MNCs. I'm doing that. Hi, Mr. Ganesh. Very good morning. So I'm busy with that. Since I'm a corporate trainer, I've been getting some sort of projects. I said some time back that this is one of the first projects that I'm doing in this year. So quite excited. I've been working over the weekend on that. Hi Sujata, very good morning. So nevertheless, I will try my best to be online and stream as much as I can. Uh, we are in a phase of consolidation. Like I don't know if you all were part of that day's discussion. Towards the market close, I was saying that there could be a possible gap up and then it might go down. So Vijay was asking, should I carry overnight PE? Somebody was asking, should I carry overnight CE? Both would have led to loss, because this was very much what I was anticipating, and exactly as it happened, it went all the way up till 40,700 almost, and then it dragged down. This is the range right now. On the upside, it's over. On the upside, 40,800 will be a critical reversal point. So you can't expect the market to go beyond that. So anytime market reaches 700 to 800 levels is a great opportunity for PE position. If you want to accumulate PE, 40,700 to 800 is a great place to accumulate PE, right? CE side, I wouldn't advise, unless, let's say, there is some sort of news that triggers an upside move with a gap up and something like that. Adani news, something related to SPB news, or anything like that, can push the market up. Otherwise, technically, upside moves are over. Okay, I am in more for the downside. It should test this level, that is 40k, right? Let's try to understand the ranges. First of all, when we are starting a week, what's most important is to understand what would be the potential trading zone for next few sessions, if not for the week, at least next couple of sessions. What should be the range that we can expect? Once you know that, then trading becomes a bit easier, right? So on the upside, you should know that whenever market reaches 40,800, there will be a strong reversal. Similarly, when the market reaches 40,000, it will be a strong support zone. So 40,000 to 39,800, 39,600 will be the three levels of support. The first strongest support will be at 40k. So once you understand that, then you can, if you're a writer, if you're a option buyer, you can plan your trades accordingly. In fact, there was a lot of discussion going on in Telegram. I really wanted to participate and say that, guys, forget about the weekend and news-based things. You cannot really predict that. Just relax and enjoy the weekend. I wanted to send a voice message at least, but then I was completely occupied. Plus, my screen time has become so much, my eyes were like, burning, so I was just taking off some time. But anyway, nevertheless, we are seeing a very good consolidation happening, yeah. And anyone has taken any position? Anyone took any position? Oh wow, that's very good, Abhishek. Very nice. 100 points in PE side you have captured. That's fantastic, Abhishek. See guys, market can become really really easy once you understand the levels that it should play, and how well that you have edged your position. If you have not done the edging, suppose say, sir, I am just having very limited capital, I cannot go for edging and all, those are really really distant dream, then my suggestion is wait for the levels. Okay, you have fantastic level. Now where you should enter? Should we take a P position, C position? Anyone? Should we enter here? Should I go for C now? Should I go for P now? What do you guys think? So as per my charts and analysis, I think it will fall. Am I correct? Absolutely right. It should fall, but not immediately. What they may do is they may form some sort of double top in some time. They will consolidate here for some more time and then go up, make a double top, and then say that okay, we have formed a double top. That's why it fell. But positionally, this is falling market. Okay, understand that it is positionally a falling market. It should fall, but before it falls, it will make all the drama and make you believe that it's going up, because when you see this sort of spike and then going up, you might be thinking, oh, this is an upside market, I missed something like that. But positionally, this is a falling market. I need to just pull this out, just close off every other thing. So you are waiting for UT to take position. Excellent. That's a good entry point, Abhishek. Bank Nifty 40,400 PE. What about it, Sujata? Have you taken it already, or are you waiting to take it? What is it? See guys, once my trading program gets over, I'll be extremely free. Right now, a part of me is mentally occupied there. That's why I'm managing my positions, I'm managing my training program and the stream. So little difficult it is, but then I will try my best to ensure that you have some sort of positions you want to enter. Everything, I will be actively participating after 24th. But right now, whatever it is in best capacity, I will try to do my that. Already you have taken. At what price, Sujata? 40,400 PE. What is it trading at? 40,400 PE. Let's check that out. NFO, Bank Nifty option index, 40,400 PE, of which expiry 16th, I believe. Right, 16th, I believe. Is it 16th March that you have taken? 16th March. It is trading at 363. What price did you enter in, Sujata? What 520? Sujata, can you just please confirm if it is this week expiry? Month end. Ah, that's why. I was like wondering where it is. Okay. Hmm. PE position. So it is currently at 425. 425. Okay. What you can do is when you see another green candle towards UT2, you can do one more round of averaging. Okay. Because I don't know when you entered. Maybe you entered here, I believe. That's why the premiums were like very high. You saw this red candle, and then maybe you entered here, or maybe you took it on Friday. Over the weekend, there could be decay. So only two possibilities: either you have taken the position on Friday and the premium has eroded, or you have entered somewhere in this long candle. If I am not wrong, 945 is where you entered. Could you just confirm that? Basis which I will suggest you something. Any which ways it has nothing you have entered. Your averaging has to be done at UT2 level. Oh, you entered on Friday. Okay, right. That's why we are seeing that. So Selvi is asking, can we go for once it breaks? Selvi, you need to wait because right now the problem with entering here is it's middle of this candle, right? Let's understand that it's a bit risky to enter. Why? This is the long candle that was formed. Look at this length of this, maybe a little higher. Okay, yeah, this was the middle of the long candle, right? This middle of the long candle will act as support. Most often the long candles middle, top and bottom will act as support and resistance. So if the market is up, when it comes down, this will act as support, so it can bounce back and go higher. If it breaks, then you will find another round of support here. So possibilities are there that it can find its support here. That's the reason I'm suggesting you to wait. Averaging means adding more fresh positions, Sujata. You can at UT2 level buy equal quantity. If you have taken 50 quantities, take another 50 quantity at UT2. That's what averaging means. Or if you have funds for, do you have funds for writing? Maybe additional some 2 lakhs or more. I suggest you something. Let me know if you have capital. I can suggest you how to do the averaging. Not averaging, edging actually. This is cool. Okay. Hi Santoshi, very good morning. Any positions you have taken, Santoshji? Hi, very good morning, Aravind Raina ji. Welcome. Okay, this is cool. So market is taking its sweet time to consolidate. Uh, you will be more tempted to get into CE side or PE side, but this is a no trade zone. Let me just put it where it is not a where it is a no trade zone. So this particular zone, ah, goodness. So this is a no trade zone, guys. Okay, don't enter here. You will burn. You will burn your cash. Why? Uh, this is no confirmation. You get no confirmation here. Can anyone say it will go up or down? Nobody can say that. And if market chooses to stay here for a couple of hours, both your premiums, whether you buy CE, whether you buy PE, both will erode. So this is a no trade zone. Let it break out, then we will enter. Let's have some chat and then discuss ideas in the meantime, right? We don't have to really be in a rush to initiate any positions in this zone. Doji zone. Wow, Santosh ji is coming for with very interesting terminologies for a zone, doji zone. Okay, I can go for averaging. Okay, waiting for UT2 level for PE entry. Bhargav, you're right. I will put in the entries as well. Okay, like I have said, this is a no trade zone. Where is an entry? You should enter. This is where you should be entering. Okay, and like I said, this is a falling market, except when you have some sort of news that's related to Adani, related to some sort of economy or anything that is, going to impact the business or the Indian economy at large. You can't expect a serious up moves. The maximum potential for up move is 40,700 to 800 levels. So that is where it is capped at. Okay, that's according to my analysis and my study. Okay, if it breaches, then I will revise my study. Okay, but according to what I have studied, the market has fallen. There is a retracement possibilities up to 40,800. This blue line you see, that's the retracement level possibilities. So how do we get there? I will also explain that. Market has fallen from here to here, right? Let's go and then draw this from here to here. Now where is the retracement? Okay, why is it coming little more? I will also go on to show you that. If we consider from here to here, this is the retracement level. Till 850 it can retrace, but then this is where the fall with the gap started. If we go with this, then you can see the middle of 0.5 is almost at this level, like plus this blue line is not from this one, rather it was from this one. Okay, so the points of references are different, that's why the blue line is bit off, but I am trusting this blue line because I have measured it from this level. So that's why 700 to 800 is a very critical reversal point. Okay. Okay. SBI, ICICI, HDFC all up marginally, so Bank Nifty is holding. Uh, True, that's true. Um, SVB crisis was well managed. See, one thing I'll tell you guys, just ignore any information that comes out of India, outside of India, ignore that. Ignore that. Unless it's like, Corona or something like that. Financial results of other markets you ignore. Our market is in a different ball game altogether, right? They are not at all keen on reacting to US or European markets any further. Have you seen recently any news? Maybe the Dow Jones have given a 500 points gap up, 800 points down. Nothing. Market did not react at all. In fact, when Dow Jones was falling, our market was going. When Dow Jones is going up, our market was falling. We are not reacting at all. Understand that. Okay. You should look for the news only when there is a reaction. Market reacts to it. Right. If there is no reaction, why are we reacting? Right. Over the Saturday, Sunday, lot of discussions on our Telegram channel, saying that SVP results. People are discussing. Discussions are good, but then see if there is really something happening with our market. Right? Nothing was happening. So ignore. Sure. So what's happening here? Okay. No worries. This is just the first day of the week, right? And market has just started about like an hour back, just an hour of trade. Don't rush in, don't be compulsive. Just relax. When opportunity strikes, we will enter very nice quantities. Abhishek says that SVB would anyway impact only private placements, not our stock market. See, the human efforts are so much in that, okay? When you're trying to understand a news that's outside of us, you have to invest a lot of time. Like you need to see what is this company, what they are doing, who were directly related to this particular company in the past. Like one company is Paytm, people were discussing as well. If you go on dwelling, you have to invest a lot of time and energy into decoding that, right? When so many things are happening like that, how do we react? Do I really have time for all this? That's my question. Do we really have time for all this? So as such, there are a lot of things to learn. We may not be knowing certain technical patterns, certain zones we don't know. There's a lot to learn in the market, right? So on top of that, you have to follow the news. On top of that, you have to see what is the impact of it in economy. That will be all like too much for most people to process. Unless you are fully committed to this, it's very, very difficult to do that, right? You have to think, you have to breathe, you have to live in this. Only then you will be able to do that. So what I would suggest is, if you want to really ignore the news completely, my positions are like that. If there is a news and then 1,000 points move, I'll be in good profit. I always keep my positions like that. Okay. If there is a sudden moves, then I will be in profit. So let it go up, let it go down. Doesn't matter. Right. So those sort of positions I maintain. just to avoid all this nonsense, whether there is gap up, gap down, I don't have to worry about it. So I will not be directional, I will be non-directional. My positions are non-directional with edging. Sometimes it happens that there is a huge gap up, huge gap down, that I will enter into a marginal loss, because for edging I would have written some positions, and that position is giving me more loss than the straddle or strangle that I have initiated. That is possible. That's okay. So if you want to really manage or avoid the news, reading too much into the news, then you can keep your positions like that. So it's all about how, what I really, at this point I cannot go on reading every news that comes. Okay, I am completely occupied. So what I do, I keep positions in such a way, if there is a sudden breakout, I am in profit. If there is no breakout, then my edging is giving me some returns. Somewhere you need to do the math. Okay. Okay, market is showing some good momentum on the downside. That's very interesting, very nice. In fact, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. Wow. Wow, look at that, guys. This is very interesting. I'm going to exit half of my positions. See, very nicely it is falling. So what I am doing is, I have initiated a straddle, and that straddle for which edging I have done. So when the market went up, I exited PE. When the market came down, I exited CE. Then when the market went up, I exited half my quantities of CE. Now I'm squaring off all my position, reducing my position size. Cash is getting freed everywhere, the profits are getting booked. That way it's a very, very nice way to manage your risk. And just I wanted to keep small portions without edging. So if there is any breakout from here, I should not be looking for some sort of hedging. When the breakout happens, maximum that I am trying to maximize the profit. That's the kind of game that I play. Anyway, chart is not updating. Chart is not updating. Oh, could be. Yeah. Now? Yeah, I was on the position screen, so maybe, yeah. I really wish it breaks this zone, and this will be the long candle, right? So this will act as some good support. Breaking 400 is going to be a bit of challenge, but once it does, we are in for a bigger gain. Okay, yeah, since I am checking, I think I should keep on laptop for managing my positions. Since I am using this same screen for managing positions, as well as this chart is not updating. uh, 40,400. P. What happened to that Sujata? It's at 475 now. I think 527 is somewhere you entered, I believe. Good. This was good. So what's happening here? It went up, came down, and then it went again, but then look at it, it got rejected at UT1, and then it came down. There was a lot of rejections here. It came down, and then it has made a large candle. Now it will get rejected here itself. So slowly it will make a channel, okay? It will make a channel that's like descending, right? So I'm sure you will be able to see this information, like it's getting rejected here, right? So this will be one, and this will be the next channel. So downside. So just quickly see that if it is getting rejected here or it's breaking up, that will be a nice way to predict the market. I can go for averaging. Can you please suggest? Okay, so Jata, how many quantities you have taken? Where are we to average if it does not go up? She's on the PE side, right? So if it does not go up, it's fine. If it goes down, she'll be one lot. Oh, one lot, right? Don't know your capital, but if you have sufficient capital to average, you can go ahead and then average. Okay, just one lot means how much? 12,000, some 13,000 rupees you would have invested. You can average. If you have more capital, average. Just one lot, okay? Don't go aggressive. And it's very nicely forming this channel, and we see that the rejections are happening very nicely. How do I even draw this middle of this? I think there is a channel option, right? There is a channel. I think, correct. This is the one I wanted to draw. Let's draw this. Yeah. And trust me, why we are taking so much time to break on the downside, that's because last week you see, on Friday you see how much this place was acting as support. It was finding a fierce support here. 400 levels were like, see, this is 425, double bottom. Then here you find again some support at 420. Again at 400 you found some support. Again at, so although the support is there, it keeps decreasing, right? So today, before it wants to break this level, it will play out like this. Slowly it will go, and once this particular level is broken, like this level is broken, we are in for massive fall. So until then, there will be a lot of slow moves happening. So it's okay. Let it break 40,400. Yeah, let it break 40,400, and then let the candle close. And next candle, let it continue to go down. Somewhere when it trades around 40,350, on the second candle, we get a confirmation that the downtrend is prominent, and you can enter and continue. Okay, I'll use this time to update my positions. Mhm. 35.9. Okay, this is done. 60.85. Done. 49.3. Done. 216.8. So this is cool. What should I do now? How do I? I have updated my position. See, I have closed. Oh, look at that. Look at that green, right? And that's, now this is very critical moment. How it's going to react. Is it breaking? Yes, it is breaking. But I will wait for this candle to close. Maybe while the candle closes, it might enter into the zone again. So yeah, it it might enter back. 1 minute left. So whether it is a quick reaction. So yeah, it is getting back. So this channel is valid. Beautifully, it is getting rejected. Let's wait and watch for the candle to close. Santoshi, what do you mean by, can we check arrow green? What is that? Hi Siddharth, very good morning. These lines pivot points, are these lines pivot points? You mean this LT1, LT2? LT1, LT2, these are not pivot points, these are Fibonacci based lines that I have drawn manually, finding where there will be support and resistance. So every day I work on this and then find these levels for every 100 points so that I know where so between this, suppose the market falls, where it will find some support. Here it should find some support. Once it breaks, till where it can freely fall, till here it can freely fall. So just to give me some sort of clarity on for every 100 points where will be the support, I am drawing these lines. That helps me in the intraday positioning. So as an option buyer, these lines are very important for you. It's a company stock. I am not even aware of it, Santoshi. Sure, let's check it out. Arrow green. All right. Is this a bearish flag in 15 minutes? Let's find out. Bearish flag in 15 minutes for bearish. No, this is not a bearish flag. Okay. So again, I will make a video on that flags and patterns that I have been doing. I will make a video. This is not a flag. Why this is not a flag? Because look at this, the flag length and the pole length are all same. For a flag, it has to be absolutely long than the flag. I'll show you. It should be like this, and probably the flag can be like this. Look at the length of it. It can be even further longer. Then it is a flag. Not like you go here and then flag length is like this. No, this is not a flag. Okay, so so the next candle is opening, and I will switch to 5 minutes candle now. Okay, let's quickly check that. Santoshi is saying arrow green, right? Let's quickly check that. So what happened? What is this? What's happening? It's not trading or what in these levels? Oh my god, what sort of stock is this? It's not trading and suddenly there is a gap, and then it's not trading, suddenly there is a gap. These stocks should be avoided. Okay, these are some not so good. It can be easily manipulated. These stocks can be easily manipulated by big investors. Don't get into these sort of stocks. Okay, with a cup and handle. Where is cup and handle in this? Let me just draw out. This is a cup. You mean this is an handle? You have just reversed the cup. The pattern will be like this and this. This is like here and here. No, this is not a cup and handle. My god, Santoshi, where do you find these sort of patterns? Or go to monthly. Oh yes, this is a cup and handle, correct. This is a cup and handle, and very, very fishy one. Targets 352. My God. So intermediate, oh no, intermediate target would be yeah. 300 is the intermediate target. Okay. Yeah, it's only circuits and very big risk. This stock should be easily avoided. No need to play in this sort of, for which I would suggest you can play in Adani itself. If you are somebody looking to play in this, I would rather, because this is anyway gambling. If you want to do this, at least Adani is more reputed place to gamble. Okay, I would suggest you to play in Adani instead. Oops. Sorry about that. It's also crazy. Yeah. Okay, Ravi Sai is asking, what about Tech Mahindra? What target can we expect? Yeah, just a moment. I will initiate a small position for edging. There is some sort of decay kicking in, and it's not nice. Wanted to just see what would be the right way to. Excuse me. I think that's good. I will do this adjustments. Oh, it broke, I think. Let me check. No, I didn't. Okay, cool. So, what price did I? Oh, 91.96. All right, let's check. I have done my adjustments. Quickly, let's check it out. All right. This is a nice fall. Is my order getting executed? Let's check that order book. 27th. Pretty sad. It's not at all updating. All right, somebody was asking about Tech Mahindra. Let me check. Hi, very good morning, Bhaskar. Is it not an inverted flag? Let's check that out. If it is, see, when it fell down and then it went up, this was a flag, okay? Where is it pattern, man? All right, this one can be considered as a flag, and that flag gave a breakout on the upside, right? But don't be too much, looking for those patterns, because what's more important is the long term or the short term view. Okay, now if I consider this as the pole, right, if this is the pole, and then this one, maybe I can continue to draw like a flag, then it should give an what sort of thing, inverted flag. So it should continue to go down. It should continue to go down, right? Like this flag has formed. Now, what should be the expectation? So, what happens in a flag? Let's understand that. You have a pole, then you have a flag, right? And then you have another flag line here. Then, what is expected? The breakout should be on the upside. If it is inverted, it has fallen and then it has made a flag. Now, it should continue to go down. So, in both the ways, it is confirming downtrend only. So that's fine. That's fine. So Tech Mahindra, let's explore Tech Mahindra. Ravi Sai is holding Tech Mahindra. Oh wow, wow, gap up. At what price you entered? Nothing I know. Can you give more details? Because this is, see, this was a cup and handle it formed. Okay, let's understand that. This is the cup and handle it formed, right? It gave a breakout, and then what is the breakout length? Let's find that out. Mm, it has already achieved its target. So this is a breakout and it has already achieved its target, right? Now, I think you should exit. If you should exit, I don't know at what price you entered, nothing I know. How can I suggest you should stay in the trade or exit? But positionally, this looks like, you should exit. Is this a gap up here? Why there is a gap up? There is a huge gap up. Guys, I will check my dog. There are a couple of work I will do. My maid wants to clean this place, so she will be here. And I will also check my dog. She's barking. Maybe I will take her for a quick walk. And maybe 10-15 minutes we will connect again. Yeah. Max to max 10-15 minutes. I should be back. Okay. Ended at 1060, then Sai, you are in profit, right? You should exit it. You should exit. Okay. Please don't wait. That's a, it's a cup and handle format. It has formed and then it gave the breakout already. Targets are done. You entered at 1060. It is trading somewhere around 1140. Massive profits you are in. Why do you need to wait? You should exit. Maybe you can keep trailing the stop loss. Maybe it is trading at 1140, you put 1138 and trigger as 139. If it's going up, then you continue to change that and then keep following it. That's something you can do. Trailing stop loss is what I would advise. Situations like this. Yeah, it's coming down pretty fast. That's nice. What's happening? All right, let me just take this break. Okay, quickly I will be back. Okay, I am back. Let's check the comments. Right. All right. Now this is a sharp breakout, but then it's trading within. You can see that. Let me just check my order book. Yeah, this is good. This is good. 55, I can exit. 250 quantities. So what you can expect is the market is making newer lows. It's sell on rise. It's confirmed. Um, so if you add, I think Sujata, you should be in profits now, or maybe in no loss, no gain at least. What's happening? Could you update us? You were holding some positions, right, of current week expiry, 40,400. What happened to that position? So it won't fall linearly. It will be a continuous red and green candles, but making lower lows and lower highs. That's what it will do. Maybe there will be a green candle till here, again it will fall, again green candle till here, again it will fall. Like that it will happen. But only thing that can help us is to either make some short trades, capture some 15-20 points and exit, or keep trailing it and then see till where it falls. My suggestion is first option, book small profits, exit the trade. That's going to be the order of the day. These are zigzag market. It won't be a linear fall. Yeah. Yes, Siddharth, you are right. Lot of retracements will happen basis Friday, and then it will continue to fall. But thing is, it won't be like straight falling like in a linear line. It will be like this, fall green, then fall green, then fall green. And that's going to be the order of the day. Okay, so pretty much the tone is set of how the day will look like. We should capitalize the information that we have. I am also capturing very like 12 points like that, and then trying to exit the trade, and that's good enough, because with 250 quantities like that, if I go and then capture 10 points, 12 points, and then 2 rupees goes 2500 rupees, right? That's decent per trade. We'll find many opportunities like that. Yeah, it will decay the. If you're a buyer, it will decay. That's why I say that you should, exit with small profits. Each trade you find the entry, exit. Quickly you exit. That way you can maximize. But if you're holding on, it will be taking some risk. Say that the market consolidates for 15 minutes here. Although you entered PE here and it is here, and for 15 minutes it trades, it will equate to your purchase price. So you wouldn't be making much. It will be really nice to see a large green candle. That will be nice, because people, market would try to do that. Market will really try to do something unexpected. You can expect a sharp green candle till this level. That's quite possible, but still it is a downtrend. So don't ask if the market is reversing. It's not reversing. It's the only way that market can fool small players. So we should understand till what level it will be downtrend. You can see the market going up till here also, that is 40,780, and still remain downtrend. Sure, Santoshi. Yes, the days will be like this. No clean day. It's it is making newer lows, but then it's not having that sort of momentum in its fall. That's the tough part, right? We are making some good returns, but then it's not a sustained fall. It's just, coming down, going up. So pretty much understandable. It's okay. 22nd Feb fell from here. 3rd March climbed from here. Okay. Yeah, I remember the chart. Yeah. Uh, I would really love to see a green candle because that will be giving multiple opportunities for people to re-enter. Small, that way it will be a good and easy market to play. If there is a large green candle, then that will be really easy market to play. Maybe I think I should extend this to the right. Yeah, so that the channel we are able to make most of. It's fine. See, this channel we have identified pretty quickly, and how well it has taken its support. You see this? It's taking its support very nicely. One second. Hello. Whatever.
Okay, let's check the comments. Can initiate log straddle of next month first week expiry. Um, First week expiry, can be a liquidity issue. There can be a liquidity issue. So my suggestion is that you can go for next month end expiry if you have capital, or you see whether the strikes are very active. If it is active, then you can go for first week expiry. Only thing is that it's an awkward number, right? You have a this month end expiry, next month end expiry, and current week expiry. These are the uh, expiry strikes that will be more active, right? First week of expiry may not have that liquidity. You check that. If it is liquid, like the prices are reacting very nicely, then you can take it, no problem. Yeah. It's sideways so far. No, it's not sideways. It is a downward momentum market. It looks like sideways. It's not sideways. It is a downside momentum market. Momentum is clearly going down, but then it's not going clean. It is finding support and then resistance continuously. With each candle it's finding, see here it's finding support, here it's getting rejected. So these sort of markets very difficult to get in and to make money. So that's a nice fall. market is showing some great breakout here. Might continue to fall. Uh, just let me check. So it's breaking and you should expect 40k. That's the target on the downside. Can the channel touch the body of the candle? Mean cutting the body? Yes, it can. It can. Superb. Well done, Santoshi. Wonderful, wonderful. You should close. Yeah. Is it a buy for PE now? Yeah. As you find a green no candle, you can enter in. Nothing wrong with that. You can enter in and then start adding positions. It's a sell on rise market. Okay. So you should expect it to fall further. See, the fall is really like very clear. You don't have to doubt that. It's just that, uh, some small breathe and then it will continue to fall. And once this channel is broken, once this one low is broken, now we are in clearly why it should not reach here. Just tell me 40k why it should not test today. Definitely every possibility for it to test today. Okay, so see, all these are maybe it will try to enter into the channel, but then it will all get down. Once it has formed this sort of pattern, it is clearly going south, right? This is the point it should reach. By the end, in another couple of hours, it should be trading here. That's for sure. Max to max in 2 to 2.5 hours, it should be trading here. Maybe let it trade. I haven't taken my breakfast yet. What range? 40k. 40k should be tested for sure. 40k is the target, intraday target. Okay. But once it enters 43, 49, 39, 800 is also a potential target. So let's wait for it. So until this point, you can expect that's a pretty massive fall. But you can at least expect 40k. That much is for sure. Right now it is only 250 points down, right? $40,400p, isn't it far out of money? No, it is a in the money strike. It's not OTM, it's in the money. But trust me, the moment it goes down, it's going, yeah, this is the level. Once it's taken out, you will see a quick fall happening. So yeah, just look at that. Once it breaks this, you are in for another round of big fall. So market is clear in its direction. It's only a matter of time. Okay, Santoshi says that it has reached the Friday's inverted cup and hold target. Yeah, this was the inverted cup and holder, and then the breakout has happened. But yeah, it didn't actually go in; it just bounced back. But then you should. My thing is, once it breaks this low of 4197, we are in for another big fall. So let's wait for it. I think I'll use this opportunity because every time I go for a break, the breakout happens. So uh, maybe I will go have my breakfast and come soon. Just 10 minutes, then we can resume. I'm muting myself. Okay. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. Let's check out the comments now. All right. Bank Nifty is making newer lows. Every half an hour we are seeing a new low being made. It's a good sign. And yeah, these are really great moves, and as expected it's going down. Yeah, it's breaking the low. Very nice actions here overall. um, Channel is, do I exit the position? You can keep trailing, Sujata. You can keep trailing, don't exit the positions. Place a trick, stop loss, trailing stop loss, and then keep following. Let it go as much as it can. We know that it is going to reach 40k. Now why should you exit shorter, right? You should try to maximize your profit, not an exit short. Okay, so another 150 points of fall is there minimum. That's minimum. In the meantime, I will see if there are any other strategies that I can deploy. Uh, Look at that fall. It's pretty intense, right? One second. One second. Yes, Siddharth. It's all that news that changes the pattern. Otherwise, clearly the market is falling market, and then we're just 100 points away from the target. Like 40K is what we were predicting, and then it is already like around 100 points away. So that's pretty good, you know, uh, flow. Only thing the newses were like triggering. That's all. Otherwise, we were clearly on the downside. Okay, there is a small pause candle. This is, it should continue to go down. So just a moment, there is a Flipkart replacement has come. I'll just hand over and then get back. Okay, just matter of few minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. So, what what the minimum stop loss to be maintained by how many points? Uh, Keep about 10 points. I think you must be, if you are having some say 70 points in profits, keep 10 points as stop loss and then keep trailing it, and that's how you should go about it. Um, yeah, it has broken 40 100 levels. Now the next target is 40k, and it will be pretty interesting to watch what the market would do once it reaches 40k. uh, Pretty nice. I am going to do some positioning now. Just a moment. Things should have got executed. Okay, let's check my positions once. All right, let's check the comments now. Can we get new PEs for 40,000? See, at this point, don't enter. How many points we are away, right? You should be trailing it. Now there could be a reversal, right? If you are already holding a PE position from here, you can keep trailing it. Don't enter into a fresh position because this is a reversal point. From 40K, there can be a sharp reversal. So I wouldn't be advising. Let the market breach 40K and then trade below. Let it go like 39,950 like that. Then we will target for LT6. At this point, don't enter freshly, okay? Because we never know, there could be a sharp green candle coming up, right? So don't want to risk unnecessarily. That's a nice entry into that. Look at that, 40K broken, 40K is broken. But do we have the confirmation that it will continue? Not yet. We don't know. That's why it has entered now. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Next candle, let's see whether it is finding a green reversal or it is finding a trend continuation. For now, this should be good enough. Just waiting and watching is good enough. $39,850. Definitely there will be strong support at this level. Right now it is breaching 39,950 in this candle. But like I said, let's wait and watch. Let's not have any sort of knee-jerk reaction to the market, because market will find its way to trap us. Always it will find its way to trap us. My God, breaking that quite comfortably, but still 1 minute, 1.5 minutes is left. I wouldn't be so jumping on. Let's wait and watch. Let's wait and watch. No rush. Absolutely no rush. Yeah, you see that? That's why I said we should wait, because quickly it is bouncing back. You see that? Such a long wick it has become. That's why it's not trustable. We need to wait for the candle to finish and confirm. But once it closes below 39,950 and the next candle trades below that, then it is showing more momentum on the downside. We can continue. But entering into this zone is not strictly a good idea. Uh, Positionally, you can do one thing. You can go ahead and then initiate a straddle. That's a good idea. Positionally, it's a good idea. I think I can also do that. Maybe I'll create a basket now. Yeah, see guys, it's turning green now, right? That's why I said, see this candle has closed above 39,950. Next candle is becoming green. That's why I said not to take any PE positions, because maybe from here when you asked you could have entered in and got this, but then it's too risky. For this small reward, we shouldn't be risking our capital. Already it's like 986, 991, almost like 40k. See that? So that's why it's pretty risky trade. Don't want to enter. Wow, look at that powerful green candle. Really. Yeah, that's a risky trade. Pranav Bansal, double top in Reliance. Please, can you have a look? Sure, I will check it. Sujata, is it okay to wait? What are you waiting for? I mean, if you're in profits, I said to start trailing it. If with this green candle, if you have been trailing, it should have already hit. I don't know what you are holding on, Sujata. Please exit the trade. It's not a good idea to hold further. Okay? It may go down, it may not go down. Nobody can say that. See, from when it was trading here, I said 40k can be a good target today. It reached already. Now I don't know how market will react. In fact, nobody knows how market would react. So I wouldn't be advising you to hold on just without any game plan. Have some trailing stop loss. Continue it. If it's getting hit, it's it. That's all. See, 4,400. Now what is it? 40,000, right? 400 points it has fallen. What more do we need? We should exit with great profits. Let me just check. So, see, market is about 40k, right? You see this about 40k. So it's still fighting out. It's fighting out. We will say that 40k is broken only when it has fallen below 39,950 and continues to make newer lows. Then we will set a new target and then go for 39,600, 39,500. All those things can be target. But right now, has it broken? Has it confirmed that 40k is taken out? No, not yet. Right? So there was one Pranav asking for double top in Reliance. Let's check that out. Okay, let's check that out. In what time frame you are seeing double top? It's continuously falling. Where is the double top? Maybe this one double top. You want to consider this as double top? Yes, it has double topped and it has fallen also. So what should we check here? I don't know. Whether are you asking whether it will continue to fall further? Maybe I'll switch to 1 hour candle. From 2294 it can reverse strongly. From 2294 it can reverse strongly. Okay, so yeah, huge potential for it to reverse from 2294. So be watchful. Be watchful of that. If you are holding on to Reliance, 2294 is a strong point of reversal. Even it might reverse from here. 2305 was a low made. It can reverse from here. So it might even continue to go back. Or worst case, another 11 points it will fall. From there it can reverse. Let's go back to Bank Nifty. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that Bank Nifty showing resilience. Fighting back, right? It's fighting back very nicely. Yeah, so time frame 1 day. I think we have analyzed it, Pranav. You want me to see in 1 day time frame? Oh, okay, what is it you want? You want to know whether it will go up or down. Is that right? Or what is it you want me to do? Well done, Sujata. That's very, very nice. I am sure that you have made some very good profits there. At what price have you taken, Pranav? It's coming with volume. Wow. Oh, 2305 of P. Why you are on the downside now? Uh, I think it's not a good idea. It's a reversal point, Pranav. Let me just go and then see that again. Reliance is at a support zone. It's going to find its support here. Maybe another 11 points it will find its support. And why do you want to enter there? I don't know. Okay, let's check in day candle like you suggested. Oh, okay, you can call this an M pattern, but then you see this is a strong support zone, right? This is a strong support zone. You can see that the market is finding a lot of reversal at this point. You see 2305 it reversed, 2305 it reversed. Sometimes it broke, but then very next day it rallied up massively. Again it came down, but it didn't reach. Again it came here, it reached up. So lot of support is happening at this point. Why do you want to really enter here and hold on to the position? I think you should square off and exit to be on the safer side. Personally, I am not convinced that you should enter into this trade. It has already fallen so badly. This is a retracement move. It came back, it has come up again, it is testing here. There is good chance for the market to reverse from here looking at the historical data, right? I'm not saying that it will not go down. I'm saying that it's a risky trade. To enter into a PE position at this juncture is a risky trade. You maybe when it was trading here, these were all like the times that you could have tried. But right now here, I don't find that comfort. Maybe you can do one thing. You can also buy a CE here, and both P and CE you can hold. There will be some good breakouts on either side if you are fine with that. I am not into stock options, but if you are doing it, the sensible thing to do would be to hold both CE and PE and let the breakout happen massively, and one side will give you profit, one side will give you loss. Eventually we all hope for a massive breakout, and one of it will be giving you good rewards, and you can cover your loss from the other side. So you see, I am not convinced here. Okay, so anyway, you can plan your trade accordingly. If you have some sort of hedging, that's well and good. Now it is trading at 39,950. This is the critical moment, the moment of truth. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to initiate some positional trade of next month. Taken positionally some small quantities. Speed of fall is good, but C is eroding faster, but P is not appreciating at this point. At this point, P is not appreciating much, but C is depreciating. So Yeah, Pranav, you should exit. That's very good decision. Look at that recovery. Let's simply assume not a reversal. About 150 points market, retraces from this level. What will happen? Think about it, no? 150 points. Let's say 41, 150 it reaches or something like that. It's not a retracement. It's not a reversal. It is only a retracement. It might reach here, right? And when that happens, what will happen? It's extremely high risk trade. Very high risk trade. Funny thing is, next month contracts I'm just watching, bid is 598, ask is 599, and price suddenly jumped from 594 to 603. So much drama is happening, and then the bid and ask is not changing at all. So much of things are happening in the background that it's not even showing in the system, but then trades are getting executed. Meaning somebody has placed some hidden, undisclosed orders. So lot of things are happening in the market right now. So if you are executing something in the market order, you will be thinking 518 it is trading, 520 is the ask, maybe it will get executed at 520, but then you will buy it at 525 like that. Unnecessarily a lot of slippage will be there. I'm taking a small risk here. I'm taking small quantities of call option at this juncture of next month expiry. Small quantities, just 50 quantities I am taking. If there is any reversal, that will give good returns. I will re-enter. Santoshji, where you want to re-enter? Someone wrote expensive contract. What do you mean, Siddharth? Could you elaborate? I think I will change.